Hello to YouTube friends and community. Welcome. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of my GearBest order. This is my first order from GearBest, and before placing my order on GearBest, I also checked other websites like AliExpress and Banggood. But the reason I went with the GearBest is because of all the good reviews and comments that people posted on internet, that they're pretty reliable and their product quality is good, and they deliver well. Most of the time they deliver the thing on time. But it also depends on where you live in the world and the all the other factors like the holidays and stuff like that. So I ordered two. I ordered two things. One is the KZZSR hybrid hi-fi earphones with mic, and I got them for 16.99 US dollars. These are the triple driver earphones. They're really good. I have checked reviews and the other comments about it, and its performance is really good. And I got them real cheap as well, because 16.99 is a very good price. Because last time I checked on AliExpress, it was selling for like 26 or maybe 27 US dollars. So that was a pretty good deal. I got it in a flash sale. And the other thing is the foam tips for your headphones that you all know are really good in isolating the all the background noise and stuff like that, so you can focus on your music or whatever you're watching. So and I got them for like 3.78 US dollars. These are it will be five pairs of these tips, and 3.78 US dollars is really good. So uh, so let me tell you about myself. I live in Pakistan, and I placed my order on 22nd of January 2018. Today is 8th February 2018, and I got my package. It took around 18 days, but as some of you might know, that the imported packages that goes through customs, custom clearance, and all these stuff. It takes some time, and here in Pakistan, it takes like 4 to 5 working days. And yeah, so that is it about it. And let's start the packaging. This is the package, plastic bag. CN Priority Port Pay Sweden. I have covered my shipping address and my private details. So yeah, yeah. Let's open it. Where is my scissors? There it is. There we go. Let's see inside. There it is. You can see the earphones and the memory tips. What's that? That's the invoice. Just have a look at it. Okay, it's just invoice. So let's it's empty. Nothing. Just keep it on the side. So let it look at the tips first. What does it say? Black, made in China, of course. Made in China. All hail China. They're really cheap, by the way, because the last time I checked on Amazon, these one pair of these tips were selling for like $3.7 US. So if you get like 5 pairs for 3.78 US dollars, that's a great deal. And when you like squish them, they get squished, and that's okay, because when you put them in your ear, they get back to their original shape and give you a really nice seal around inside your ears to help keep out the let me focus. There we go. Yeah, they're really good. Get all of them out. Come on. Come on out. Come on. There we go. Oh, there we go. So these are the tips, and yeah, that's one. Let's go towards the headphones. So you can see that. By the way, about the packaging, I forgot. They have used the bubble packaging. Yeah, you know, these. I really like popping them. Anyway, it's the typical packaging of GearBest, but that's okay because it does a good job in absorbing shocks and all the bumps during the delivery. So yeah, that's good. So let's get back to the headphones. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. ZSRs, some Chinese I don't understand, but that's okay. That's good. So let's open these bad boys. Plastic wrapping. Keep it aside. Just keep those aside. So yeah, pretty decent packaging. You can't expect anything fancy because you are getting them cheap. Don't forget about that. You just have to focus on the product. Don't worry about the packaging as long as it keeps the product safe. So yeah, that's the one. So these are the headphones. Black color and triple driver earphones. Let me get them out. There we go. Nice, 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 nice. Let me focus it. There we go. KZ earphones. Let's see what's inside there. Oh, let's get back to it after making it. What's that? These are its cables. Yep. Let's open them up. Go. These are the 2-pin wires, the typical wires that comes with it. By the way, I have also ordered a silver plated wire for it, and it will be arriving in a week or so. So yeah, I will change that typical wire because the silver plated wires do enhance the sound quality of the earphones. So yeah, let me get them a little bit closer. 3.5 millimeter pin, phone jack. there we go. Yeah, wire look pretty strong and decent, so no worries about that. Yeah, they're pretty strong and feels really solid. That one comes with the mic. Mic is really good because if you get any calls, you don't have to put them out of your phone. And yeah, there we go. That's the phone. Now go to the package again. What's that? Go. So these are the typical silicone ear tips. I'm not a big fan of the silicone ear tips because the external noises leaks and it interferes with your music. So yeah, I always use these foam tips because they are awesome. They're 10 times better than these silicone tips, but still, yeah. These are the views. And so what else is there? Some stuff in Chinese. User info, warranty rules. It does come with the warranty. Please read the following terms, blah blah blah. Anyway, yeah, there it goes. Next one is Keezy Acoustics User Guide Warning. Okay, blah blah. Anyway, okay, so that's it. Let's check the build quality of it. These are to pin where you put the jacks. Right, so that's a really good thing because previously I purchased a lot of earphones, and some of them they didn't mention which one is right and which one is left, and that's irritating. But there it is on top and in big letters. That's good. It's beautiful. Right. Yep, that's the right thing to do. That one is the left one. Yep. Let's see what's written here. Yeah, there we go. ZSR hybrid technology. So guys, I will be doing a detailed review about these earphones that will be coming around in a week or so, because I will be when you buy new earphones you have to put in some burn-in time for the sound to get better. It's just the physics that is involved in it. So I will be posting a new video about this video review, a detailed one, how it sounds, how it performs, all those things. So please hit this subscribe button, hit the like button, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.